Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the trend lines, identify which trend line are we in right now. So, and most importantly, how we can take trades with the trend lines. All right. So now, by the way, we are live trading right now in gold. So the trend lines, we have two different trends. First of all, we have an uptrend which goes like this, and we also have a downtrend which also goes like this. All right, and it's also, how to say, it doesn't also have to be like the perfect like this, right? It could be like this as soon as we're still uptrend. So the chart doesn't have to look perfect, all right? Never look for the perfect chart. And so how do we take trade with the trend lines? All right. First of all, the one thing that you guys must know, we always trade with the trends, all right? If the trend is going up, why the fuck we go shorts? If the market makers have an order to go up, so who are we? Are we smarter than them? Because of that, we are gonna trade with the momentum. If the chart is going up, there is no meaning that we go short, right? But to be have a proper, have to enter trades in the with. So what I'm trying to say is, I am drawing in a trend right here. So this is an uptrend, all right? How do we take this uptrend? If you're looking for a long position, we might think, all right, so let's say we are at this position right now, all right? So what we can do, so first of all, I want to tell you guys some this. With the trend lines, think as the start of it's the floor, all right? And this is the roof. As soon as it breaks down the roof, then it's now a floor, and this is a roof. All right, you get it? I'm gonna show you. So let's say that we are this point at the chart, all right? So what we can do, we can wait until the price come to this level, to the floor area, and rejects at least two times at the same area, and we can open our long positions right there. But if the price wants to go down, or maybe a break of structure could happen, so how do we identify this? This is our floor. This area is so important. So how do we take the short in this position? So we might do, yes, we might do, this is our floor right now. So we might wait for the break of structure. What's the break of structure? So if it come below this floor, we can wait retest to the floor area. If it's retested this area, this is now our floor, and we will go with for the roof. And now we broke the structure, and now we are going downside. All right. So for me, I always say to my friends, the trading is 10% buying, 10% selling, and waiting. If you don't wait, if you don't wait where the price wants to go or where the price goes, you might get a entry at this position to go long, and the price suddenly stopped you. Why? because you didn't wait. So the golden rule, if you are trading with the trend lines, is to wait for the perfect entry. Otherwise, you guys will never have a proper risk management or the proper risk to reward ratio rates. So you're not gonna win. You're not gonna make money. You're just gonna waste your time. All right? Yeah.